Wagwan everybody, this is a Braadkyaas Jamaican with another tuori in a Jamaican. This time we come with the tuori Anansi and Fire. But before we go to the tuori, we want to make sure say una like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Just go on over and give it a like. Now for the tuori. Lunch did done and Anansi did want to sleep. Him say, that did good. I want nice long sleep now. But him lay down here so. Somebody bound for come trouble me. I go in at the bush when nice and quiet. Anansi go in at the bush for look for one nice quiet place to sleep. Him see one big tree. I go climb up in that tree and sleep for one long time. So Anansi climb up in the big tree and go sleep. Him did a sleep long. Just as him ready for climb down and go in yard, him hear one sound. Him tap, look down and see one man. The man walk on the big tree where Anansi did inner and come out of the bush. Anansi stay up in the tree for a little while. Then him climb down and start go back in yard. When him reach the place where the man did go, him hear one funny sound. Him look down and see one pretty sitting on the ground. It did red and yellow and it did a dance up and down in the grass. It did smell funny. And one black cloud did over here dance. The sitting where Anansi say I did smoke, but Nancy never know what name. Anansi say, oh, what a way that sitting pretty. I want take a carry go me yard. Fire tell him say, me can't walk pan ground, I have to walk pan the grass. If you want me come in your yard with you, get some long dry grass. Then you have to put your ground from yasso to your yard. Anansi say, alright, pretty sitting. Him thought pick up all of the dry grass where him could have find. Him put it on the road where go up to him yard. When him reach him yard, him put the rest of the dry grass on him door and run go back in the bush. Fire did that in the same place a dance up and down and smoke did a dance over the same way. Fire tell Anansi, put the grass near me. Anansi take up some of the grass and put it near Fire. Then the pretty red and yellow sitting run side of the dry grass and smoke run with it. Brother Anansi smell the funny smell more and more. The dry grass get black all the way to the door. When Fire reach the yard, it did big. Anansi get afraid eye. Him try tap Fire, but it burn him. It run in him house and smoke and fire start come out of it. Anansi house done this so. Fire burn down the whole eye. And from that day there till now, fire always a burn down people house. That a Braadkyaas Jamaican with Anansi and Fire. Make sure say you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.